Motorola says experience bigger things with the Edge 30 Ultra, and Samsung says experience the first Galaxy S with a built-in S Pen. Confused, right? Well, both Android flagships are incredible smartphones you should definitely check out. Let's find out more about the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Which one is best? The Verge say that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the most impressive portrait mode photos I've seen from a smartphone yet. With a slim look and the first built-in S Pen, which you can take notes, draw, edit content precisely, effectively on your phone, which you can eject it from the bottom of the phone, and the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra also comes with massive camera qualities that keep Samsung and other high-end smartphones on their toes, with features like the camera specs, which will bring you more details on later on in the video. Design and display. Both flagship smartphones have some pretty interesting specifications to offer that could even leave you more confused on which one to pick. First off, the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra has a 6.67-inch POLED display screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection, whilst the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. The Edge 30 Ultra takes a win here with a 144 Hz refresh rate that supports smooth game time experience, more brilliant with voice controls, and provides decreased touch latency, while the S22 Ultra 5G delivers a 120 Hz refresh rate, also supporting better brightness and color contrast. The S22 Ultra comes in with 1750 nits peak brightness, a 1440 x 3088 pixel resolution, 500 ppi density, 90.2% screen-to-body ratio, while the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra comes with 1250 nits peak brightness, 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution, 395 ppi density, 20:9 ratio screen-to-body ratio. Both phones offer HDR10+ that produces deeper screen blacks and finer image details.
Nice.
Here, the S22 Ultra gets a win with its IP68 dust and water resistant, while the Edge 30 Ultra bags an IP52 rating splash proof. While the S22 Ultra comes in a variety of color choices, such as phantom black, white, burgundy, green, graphite, red, sky blue, bora purple. The Edge 30 Ultra, on the other hand, is only offered in two color options, interstellar black and starlight white. Well, the subscribe button also only comes in the red color option. Subscribe to our channel below. Performance. For performance, both devices run on the most recent version of Android. Version 12, however, the S22 Ultra gains a little upper hand here thanks to compatibility for its unique One UI 4.11 and upgrade from Android 12 to 13 for the recent Galaxy devices. The S22 Ultra, in terms of performance, comes with a 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset or a 4nm Exynos 2200 SoC choice, which serves as one of the fastest processors, giving you the ability to switch, stream, and surf the internet with maximum speed, while the Edge 30 Ultra, on the other hand, sports a 4nm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and the Adreno 730 GPU, and S22 comes with the Eclipse 920 in Europe and Adreno 730 GPU globally. The Edge 30 Ultra comes equipped with octa-core, 1x319 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3x275 GHz Cortex, a 710 and 4x80 GHz Cortex, a 510 CPU, and S22 Ultra comes with octa-core, 1x28 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3x250 GHz Cortex, a 710 and 4x8 GHz Cortex of 510 for Europe, and octa-core, 1x300 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3x250 GHz Cortex, a 710 and 4x80 GHz Cortex of 510 CPU globally. Additionally, both devices have 8GB, 12GB RAM, and internal storage 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB for the S22, and 128GB, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes for the Edge 30. So for instance, you can store up to 512 gigabytes of all your favorite apps, games, movies, videos, songs, and other media files without worrying if the space would be enough. And with their astonishing speed 5G connectivity, you can do more from streaming your favorite shows, downloading shows, and engage in video calls without lag and buffering, and be assured a battery that will keep you going for days, coming shortly. Camera. Camera-wise, the S22 Ultra's quad rear camera features a 108MP primary lens, 10MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 10MP telephoto with 10x optical zoom, 12MP, 120 at ultra-wide, LED flash, auto AGR, which helps you to be able to adjust your shots for great details, panorama, recordings of 8K at 24 FPS, where even if you're in the sun or well-lit environments, capture vivid pictures and videos. While the Edge 30 Ultra's camera setup has a 200MP primary lens, 12MP telephoto, 50MP, 114 at ultra-wide, dual LED dual-tone flash panorama, HDR, and recordings of 8K at 30 FPS. The Motorola Edge 30 Ultra has a 60MP front camera, HDR, 4K at 30 FPS, whereas the Samsung S22 Ultra has a 40MP front camera for dual video calls, auto HDR, 4K at 60 FPS. The S22 Ultra sensors, such as the under-display fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer, and the Edge 30 Ultra also has sensor under-display fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass as well. Battery. The S22 Ultra comes with a Li-ion 5000 mAh non-removable battery, which you can work, play, stream, and do your daily tasks for longer hours, 45 W fast charging, 4.5 daily reverse wireless, and 15 DU fast wireless, which you can use to wirelessly charge your earbuds or help a friend charge their phone when it is low. With a LiPo 4610 mAh non-removable battery, the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra is a little behind here. Comes with 125 DU fast charging and 50 W quick wireless charging capability. Ultimately, both devices are incredible based on their features, with flaws and all. Head on and check out this video comparison between the OnePlus 10 Pro and the Samsung S22 Ultra.